Morning all and welcome to the Market View for Monday the 24th of March 2014. And starting off with the daily chart, we can see that the market has taken out the support here at 165 and traded below this on Friday and on the overnight last night, Sunday night and early hours of Monday morning. We can see that the market is trying to pull back at the moment. The next psychological support is going to be 164.50, which is in this area here. So let's have a look and see if we can find a few more supports. The market managed to hold at the 76 on Thursday. Friday it traded through the 6,500 level as well, so we can delete this. And what I'm going to do is just to roll down to the next low and high just to see if we've got anything in place. That one doesn't work, so I'll take the next low. And what I mean by doesn't work, it means the market's already below the 76 there. So I'm going to just do the same again with this one. That's the same. And we'll go from here to here. So now we've got a place where we can actually put in some sort of supports there. So the market's through the 62 and we've got the 64.25 between the 64.50 and 6,400 there, so midpoint 50% between the two there where the market could find some support. Now this method of what I call rolling fibs is something that I came up with, and it allows me to actually see where the market could find support on its retracement from the recent high to the recent low. But unfortunately, sometimes the market's too far away, as in this example, because this would be the recent low to the recent high, and you can see that the 76%'s down there. Whereas in all of the previous market views, you've seen I've been able to find the support and then transpose that across into the smaller time frames to see where the market's likely to find support in the smaller time frames, and then take profits. So there we can see we've got these fibs in place. We don't want this one, and this one's finding support there at the moment. So the main one is this one. This is the biggie, as it would be, because it's gone from this low to this high. So if the market breaks here, it's likely to retest down here at the 163 level. So let's have a quick look at Friday's trading, see what happened. We had a short before. There was a medium impact news day all day, so the market gave a potential sell there. Market trading down plus 20 odd pips more, and then finding support at the previous day's low, which is again something that we look at in the daily chart. Market came back and came back to that sort of 76% retracement there, so you can see and then the market moving lower and comes back 3/4 of this way and then just stays in this sideways range, giving a potential sell on Friday afternoon, which really didn't go anywhere. The best you could have got out of this was to lose a few pips unless you held the trade overnight, which the market then moved lower and then found some support and came back. So at the moment the market sideways to lower, and if we look at the daily chart at the moment, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of red. We are due for a bounce, but the market looks pretty weak at the moment as the US dollar's gaining some strength at the moment. So it will be interesting to see what the market does. But at the moment it's looking fairly weakish. But you will get days when the market will bounce back. As I'm just looking to see if I can find you an example of this. There's an example of this here, and you've got just 3 or 4 down here. So the market's gone to the sell side. You can see trying to buy back and failing, trying to buy back and failing. Then the market finds some support, and then we see a change in trend. So as the market moves lower, you will get the odd day where it tries to buy back, and you can see that here, but then it's followed by a red, and then it resumes the down trend there. So just something else to keep in mind. It takes quite a bit to actually switch a trend once one gets established. In the news, let's have a look. We've got something out in France, apart from French people. What we got? Flash manufacturing Flash services PMI, German flash, medium impact as well. We've got nothing else, just a few from the European side of things today then, and then that's it for the news really. Nothing again, so it could be a quiet day as well, unless of course we get anything breaking news wise on the geopolitical front. Right, well, that'll do it for this morning. I will see you tomorrow. Lovely sunny day today. Let's hope it stays this way, but it could do with warming up a little bit for my taste. But the sun's shining, so that's always a good start. All things being equal, I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. And as ever, thanks for watching.